So today our discussion topic is oogenesis. Oogenesis. This process is happen in gall. Okay. This process is happen in gall. So during the development, the primordial germ cell. During the development, the primordial germ cell reached to the ovary at the 5th week of life, and after reaching to the ovary, the primordial germ cell converts to oogonium, and then mitosis started, and this oogonium converts to primary oocyte. Then meiosis 1 is started, then meiosis 1, and in the meiosis the first phase is called prophase. The first phase is called prophase, and in the prophase the last phase is called diplotin phase. In meiosis 1, the primary oocyte goes to diplotin phase, and there is arrest happen, and this arrest is also called resting phase, and this arrest happen until the puberty. Till the puberty this arrest happen. So after the development, after it goes to the diplotin phase, the baby born, and after puberty, during the menstrual cycle, the number of during the puberty, the number of primary oocyte is like 40,000. Okay, and during the menstrual cycle, there is 10 to 15 number of primary oocyte completes meiosis 1 and formed secondary oocyte and first polar body. Okay, then this secondary oocyte goes meiosis 2 and complete prophase, and at metaphase again arrest happen for 24 hours, and this secondary oocyte goes to the fallopian tube, and then the metaphase arrest happen for 24 hours, and when the sperm touches the secondary oocyte, then it completes meiosis 2 and formed ovum and secondary polar body. Okay, but if sperm not comes or not touches the ovum, not touches the secondary oocyte, then it forms corpus luteum, and then corpus luteum also is converted to corpus albicans. Okay, so what is polar body? Polar body, like this is a cell. Okay, so during the meiosis, this cell divides in two parts, and here is the cytoplasm. Okay, so this cell divides in two parts, like this part, this is a cell, and this is a cell, and here is the cytoplasm, but there is no cytoplasm. So a cell without cytoplasm is called, during the meiosis, is called polar body. Okay, this is called polar body. Thank you.